another video. I'm going to organize this messy closet that I have right next to my bathroom. It's right there. And I put everything here. From the bathroom to makeup to everything. I even have hangers from my floor. This poster. I'm going to be organizing because I'm almost due. I'll probably see this video after, like, when I have baby. I'm going to be using these baskets that are new that I have bought from the dollar store. I don't know which ones I'm going to use depending on what mess I'm going to pick. But I gotta clean it because it's very messy. And this is the before and after. We'll be back. So yeah, so the top part I have mostly craft things, which I don't think I'm gonna move till I organize that room over there. This part was for towels and other stuff. Then that was my husband's. That was mine. And these were like for both of us. And I have a lot of like shampoo and couponing things there. So I'm going to try to replace it to over here. But let's get started to the moving around. So here's my bottom. I have taken away some of the boxes that I had here that are like my Walmart and my beauty box. And I have put them in a basket. And that is all of my shampoos that when I did couponing that I still have. So I'm going to put those in another place. Then we'll transfer over to this shelf. And there's the after. This section pretty much got filled up because I have a lot of stuff. But it looks way better than what I had before. All the way up. We'll go here on the bottom first. Here I emptied all of this section because now I have all of my shampoos, conditioners, hair products there, as well as in here. Now everything is neat and organized. Here I just have leftover things, kinda like soaps and stuff like that. Now we go up here. I have my hair straightener. These are my Kylie nail polishes that I want. This is bedding stuff. And then here I have all my bed bath, my lotions and stuff, which are new, and puffs. Then we go to my section here. Then we go to my section here, and then I have here, light went off, all of my samples. So I have that, my most used Victoria's Secret thing. I have here all of my makeup. I have to fill that part out. And this little bag is what I use the most. My brushes, which I need to clean. A few palettes here. And then we go to the top section, which is like my husband's side. We have soaps, shaving, perfumes and creams, deodorants and stuff like that. And all of our lotions. Hairbrush, we go to the top. Of course, towels. Medicine that I want to get right away. Then we go to the top. Then we have towels. Then we have medicine for Luna. Then we have our emergency kits, which I have in here. Band-aids and stuff like that. Then I have this other one. And then behind here I have the nasal thing. And then the wipes box has bags. And then out there I told you guys I wasn't gonna mess with until I finish over there in my hobby room, which are my ribbons. I have paints and stuff like that. But other than that, I think it looks way better. My husband's gonna be able to find things. I'm going to be able to find things. and everything. All that stuff is going to be used, so that's pretty much empty there. And then this is my garbage right here. Everything that I saw had due dates or anything like that, I took it off. My papers here, I'm gonna leave it there as long with my stuff. But over here, now whenever I need to shampoo it, I just get it from here. But I have my alcohol and other stuff there for emergencies. And in here I have toothpaste and gel and stuff like that gets to be put there. And yeah, I wanted to record, but actually I needed to do the work. So it was really tight for me to be filming because it's really tight up here in this little corner, as you can see. So hopefully you guys like this short little video about me organizing my closet and you get inspired and you clean up your closet. I'm getting baby ready. Probably you will see this video and baby will be already out. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. Click the bell to remind you when I have a new video, and I'll see you next time.